I'm Pascal from Boatshed, Paris. My pleasure to introduce you this Freycinet barge of 39 meter length with a beam of 5 meter or 7. This is a residential barge, so engine is not on duty, but can be work again. Here was in the entrance. We have a main place downstairs, approximately 80 square meters. All good stairs. In the front we can find the owner cabin with double bed, storage, one basin star and the shower in the middle, and another basin left with immediate access to the shower too. We have individual heads for this room, and a room from a head for the main room. While this stairs is coming from an old boat from the 18th century, I think so. We have the galley, well, it's the kitchen on the back with electric cooker, oven grill, fridge, microwaves, congelator, and the sink. On the back you can find the laundry, this is a place for the washing machine and the dryer, and a storeroom with electric panels. And this is an access to the engine room that could be only opened from the engine room. Upstairs we can find a room with head, shower and basin. We have an access to the side deck. We can go forward or to the wheelhouse. Here's sleeping room. If this boat interests you, do not hesitate to contact Pascal from Boatshed, Paris.